Assalamu alaikum. I'm really delighted to get this gift from Najam Mazari, my dear friend who has been a software engineer and by choice he turned into a herbalist. So Najam, congratulations. I've tried your products. They're all organic, all brilliant and serve every purpose for the whole family. So from moringa powder to sagudana and to sadai powder to creams to lotions, they're all herbal, all tried by us, me and my family, and I should know because I'm the CEO and founder of HospitALL, which is a health tech, and also of Awesome Health that looks after your fitness and your wellness. So all these products with some books as well. Thank you very much, Najam, and best of luck to you. And yeah, I'm gonna be ordering more and more. Thank you.